Hi everyone! Do you want to save time and grow faster on Twitter? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up an auto-post Twitter tool, so your tweets can be scheduled and posted automatically even when you're offline. Posting tweets manually every day can be exhausting. If you miss the best posting time, your engagement drops. That's why using an auto-post Twitter tool is essential. It helps you stay consistent, reach more people, and never miss the perfect moment. Let's see how it works step by step. 1. First, log in to the auto post tool. 2. Connect your Twitter account. 3. Create your tweet. You can add text, hashtags, links, or even media like images and videos. 4. Choose the schedule. Select the exact date and time or set up recurring posts. 5. Save and activate. Now the tool will automatically publish your tweet at the scheduled time. Auto posting on Twitter helps you. Stay consistent without manual work. Post at the best engagement times. Manage multiple tweets and accounts easily. Focus more on creating quality content instead of scheduling manually. A few tips. Always plan your content in advance for better results. Mix educational, entertaining, and promotional tweets. Check Twitter analytics to see when your followers are most active. Don't over-automate. Keep some manual interaction to look authentic. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more social media automation tutorials. You'll find the link to the AutoPost Twitter tool in the description below. Thanks for watching.